Hey friends, today's video is a little extra special. My husband surprised me with a yarn haul from the iconic Loop London while he was on a business trip. I haven't seen what's inside yet, so we're going to open it together. I'm really excited and really curious to see what he picked out. So grab a cozy drink and let's dive into this surprise together and see how he did. So when my husband went to London, he asked me what kind of souvenir I wanted. And the only thing I could think of was a tote bag from a local yarn shop that said something about knitting and also said London on it. And boy, did he deliver. Look at this bright pink loop canvas tote. It's roomy, it's bright, and it's the perfect mix of vintage meets modern. I love this logo. It's giving carry me everywhere vibes, and I'm not mad about it. Next is this handmade drawstring bag from Kico. It's made from organic cotton, it has a linen interior, and it's plant dyed. This colorway is called Magnolia, and honestly, I'm obsessed with this. I love it. It has a drawstring closure, and it's the perfect size for any project, really. Also from Kico, this haberdashery pouch in the colorway Indigo. This pouch is just like the drawstring bag. It's minimalist, it's earthy, it has that organic cotton outer with the gorgeous linen interior. It's perfect for stitch markers, scissors, and all the tiny things that disappear in your project bag. Speaking of tiny things inside this little bag, what's in here? Only the most charming stitch markers ever. These are called Garden Visitors, and they're handmade in California. Shout out to all my West Coast friends. These are made with check glass beads and tiny charms of bees and flowers. Basically, it's like a tiny garden you can knit with. Okay, this one made me gasp. The Scout Shawl Kit designed by the incredible Florence Sperling. This shawl is a showstopper. The kit uses Madeline Tosh Merino Light in 5 complementary colors, and most of them are exactly the ones used in Florence's original sample. The only sub, according to Loop, is pink clay, but it's a near perfect match. The kit comes with a signature loop drawstring bag made from organic cotton. It's mid-weight, so not too thin and not too firm. It's a good quality cotton, and it's the perfect size for storing everything that comes with your kit. Scout is like a love letter to vintage quilts. The design mixes Fair Isle and Intarsia and creates this amazing patchwork effect. It's knit sideways from tip to tip, and it's one of those magical pieces that drapes so beautifully and shows off every bit of color work. Here's the yarn that comes with the kit. 3 partial skeins of Joshua Tree, which is an olivey deep green, Rocinante, which is this darker pink, and Librarian's Dream, which is a yellowish green. There's a full skein of Sugar Coat and a full skein of pink clay. These are super fine yarns, and since the pattern calls for a US 4 needle, it really lets all those tiny details shine. Perfect for showing off intricate stitch work. The one thing you need to be aware of though, this pattern is not included in the kit, just a heads up, but you can grab it on Florence's website or on Ravelry. This is a dream project for anyone who loves color work or just appreciates the artistry of a really thoughtful design. I've had my eye on this pattern for a while, and I really can't wait to get started with this one. First skein up, Bien Aimée Cashmerino. This is a merino, cashmere, and nylon blend in the colorway vintage. This is a fingering or sock weight yarn, and the texture is like a dream. It is so soft. I wish you could feel this for yourselves right now. The colors are beautiful. They're a gorgeous blend of neutral tones, dusty pink, with bright flecks of color throughout. I'm so curious to see how this is going to look knit up. Next up is another skein of Bien Aimée Cashmerino. This one's in colorway Fiori, and it's more of a gray and white with flecks of really bright pinks and oranges. There's some yellow in here too. It's so beautiful. From Ireland, we have Life in the Long Grass, also known as LITLG. This is in colorway Dreamer. Life in the Long Grass is ethically sourced. It's a merino nylon blend, and it feels like a poem in yarn form. It's so soft and so serene. The label says that it's hand-dyed in their studio in the Irish countryside. And I can't imagine a more idyllic vision than to be hand-dyeing yarn in the Irish countryside. It just sounds like exactly where I want to be. From Canada, we have Lichen and Lace in Wildflower Remix. This yarn has a unique mix of thick and thin textures, which we often see with hand-spun yarns. I love the hand-sewn label. If you get a chance to go to their website, please do read their story. It's truly a heartfelt maker story. This one makes me feel like I'm holding a little piece of someone's world. Oh, and surprise, another skein of Fiori, which means I can go bigger. Maybe a Sophie hood? This is also a fine fingering sock yarn, and I'm picking up on a theme here. I think maybe my husband got stuck in the fingering section, but regardless, I still love all of these. Let's see what's next. Here's another skein in the colorway Patagonia. This is a moody gray with flecks of unexpected color. So beautiful. Now here's a skein by The Uncommon Thread, a small artisan company located in the UK. This is 100% extra fine merino, and the color is unreal. It's called Wilted Rose. It's rich, moody, and somehow still extraordinarily vibrant. This is hand-dyed in Britain, and because it's an extra fine weight, it would be perfect for things like socks and lace work. I'm really excited to see what I can knit up with this. My husband also picked up some things for our daughter. She's just learning to knit, and it's been so sweet watching her fall in love with it. He also picked up the Kico bags for her in different colorways. She's already got some of her notions stuffed in this little bag. But this may be my favorite part. It's the perfect beginner kit. This is the Hellebore bandana kit in soft, dusty pink and brick. The pattern is included with the purchase, and it comes with a cotton project bag. I think this is going to make the perfect beginner project for her. In fact, I think this would be a great beginner project for anyone, really. And the best part, once it's all knitted up, you'd never guess this was a beginner project. It's just so beautiful. It looks like something made by a seasoned pro. Honestly, I think my husband nailed it. Every skein is full of possibility. I'm already dreaming up projects, shawls, socks, maybe a Sophie scarf, or 3. I think the hardest part is going to choose where to start, and the colors he selected are so vibrant and glorious. I just think there's going to be so many amazing possibilities. Thank you so much for sharing this surprise from Loop London with me. I'd love to know what you would make first. If you have suggestions, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.